Let's get set up on the base with our thumb across from our middle finger in a circle shape, third finger and fourth finger down, then first finger small hook back. We're going to be on our A string, our second lowest string, and we're going to do hot cross buns with 4, 1, open. If you get a little knocking sound, that's because you need more weight behind your fingers. And just to make sure you're not doing that, make sure you have a little space float above your base. All right. So one more time, the intro is C, B, A. Let's do this together. 1, 2, ready, go. C, B, A. Reset your hand. C, B, A. Leave your hand open. A, B, 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 B. Reach C, B, and A. Awesome. Now, moving to Mary Had a Little Lamb, you have the same notes. So we're going to set up the same way, except this time, when you go backwards, C, B, A, you come back to C. The intro is C, B, A, B, reach C, 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 fly away, B, 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 reach back. So, 2 things to remember. Keep your thumb anchored and keep your hand open. 1, 2, ready, go. C, B, A, B, reach C, 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 B. Now reach back, C, 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 second line, C, B, A, B, reach C, 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 first finger, B, B, reach C, B, A. That's it.